Are you ready? And demo, and we're going to be talking about securing AWS with Fido security token and push authentication. Leveraging the SecurID Access as a broker to initiate these connections, right? Why did I say and emphasize the and? Because in previous videos, I focused on the or, using push notifications, or using biometric authentication, or using one-time passcodes. So I want to showcase the ability to do and. So why is and important? For mission critical environments, you want to have as many layer authentications as necessary that you deem for the application. But take a step back. First, we got to take a look at our applications in our environment and create levels, security levels. And how much authentication do you need? How much security do you need for a particular application? That all depends on your vertical, your company, and your policies. So for those environments that I got a few customers that do need really strict security policies, right? So they activate this and because they like it, because not only does their users have to put the username and password, then they got to put in their Fido token, and then they also have to do a push notification. You might be saying, Sylvester, well, how is the user experience? You're going to see that. The cool thing about it, it doesn't really add too much complexity at all. It's really easy to leverage both of them to get in there. But again, if you already deem that asset to be critical or application to be critical, why wouldn't you take the necessary steps to protect it? Because to be honest with you, a lot of attackers are pretty lazy, right? If it's pretty secure, they're gonna either A, find another way around it, or B, just give up and go to someone else who didn't lock down that front door. So what is Fido? Fido, it's an alliance, right? It got a lot of smart people, a lot of smart companies came together, such as I see we got Google in there. You have RSA in there, you got Gemalto, you got a whole bunch of different companies that participate in here to create easier authentication, and also makes authentication easy to deploy for the masses to use it, and at the same time making sure the experience is as smooth as possible. So why do people want to leverage this? Because passwords are starting to get really complicated. You need to put in a special symbol. You need to put in, you might have to put longer passwords. So now you can have something that's simple that you can leverage. So let's get into and actually showcase that right now. So I'm inside my RSA SecurID Access single sign-on portal, and now I am doing a single sign-on solution right now. So I just connected my cell phone. Let me get that down a little bit smaller so you can see it. It's always good that you can actually see it, and I can prove what I'm saying. Is let's take a look at accessing AWS right now. So the first thing it's doing is talking to the IDR that's located in Buffalo in the Solution Center, which powers this demo. And that's talking to the cloud authentication server that's talking to my phone right now. And it's telling me I need to log in. So let me log in. And it's contacting my mobile device. And it should be, it has my Fido token in there. It accepted that already. And now I'm hitting the push notification. I can remember this browser. So if I did that, I wouldn't have to do this again. And now I got authentication. So you got additional security, but it was easy to deploy. It was easily for your end user to leverage it, your administrator who's using it to get in your AWS. So why wouldn't you deploy this, right? It's a no-brainer. So again, it was easy to use. It was easy to showcase. And on that screen, I could have had SecurID token with a push notification. I can have a Fido token with a biometrics authentication or one-time passcode. So we could have changed it up to multiple flavors. So I hope you enjoy. And before I get into it, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Talk to me in the comments. What would you like to see? what interests you in on regards in security. So let's talk about it. And if I have access, I'll make sure to download it. So if you haven't watched my other videos, check out Securing AWS with Biometrics. Take a look at Securing AWS with Push Authentication. And take a look at SecurID Access with one-time passcodes, OTP, and securing that single sign-on portal. Talk to you soon. This is Sly Gittins here with another video, and thank you again for your time, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.